for all our Muslim family around the world, all ladies who are going to fast during this Ramadan period. You can do this in your own hair, no extensions at all. This hairstyle will give you peace. They are just quick and simple cornrows, no extensions at all. They are very easy. They will favor you when you're doing the prayers. They are very, very protective, and of course you'll be able to wash your head. I advise you can try these cornrows. They are outside cornrows, and by the time you remove them, maybe after Ramadan, because these cornrows can push you for a full month, maybe at the time of removing them, your hair will be grown much longer. As you can see them here, they are not really stressful. They are peace giving, and they will help you to perform your prayers very well. So all Muslim ladies around the world, please share this video to your Muslim friends. You can do this, and it will give you a lot of freedom when performing your prayers, and at the same time it will favor your hair growth, hairline restoration in case you have a broken hairline, and your hair will be protected so well. By the time you wish to do something different, your hair will be strengthened and grown to a length you won't even believe. As I've told you that this can push you for a month, so please try these cornrows and you will never be the same again. We are Hair Crown UG team, and we are here to show you the right way of handling your hair, the methods that you can use to grow back your hair, to restore your hair, and of course to protect it. These cornrows are very, very simple. They take very, very less time. I wouldn't advise you to leave your hair open, because Muslims are not supposed to add extensions in their hair, but you can do these cornrows in your own hair. You can do these extensions, rather you can do these cornrows and there are no extensions, hence it will help you to maintain and protect your hair from breaking, because the moment the hair is not braided and it's just there, it breaks. Remember, when your hair is wet, it is prone to breakage if it's unbraided. So I advise you to cornrow it. You can do these small cornrows. It will help you keep your hair safe. It will not break at all. Ladies and gentlemen, please watch this video, and if it's your very first time, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. We as Air Crown UG team, we wish you a happy Ramadan. If you are a Muslim out there, thank you for loving Air Crown UG. Greetings to you all in UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, America, everywhere you are watching. And if you're a Muslim, we wish you a happy Ramadan. May Allah be with you. I wish to see you in another video. Please make sure you watch to the end and also share to your friends.